doing?
Can you get the camera, please?
I don't
No,
feel
guess what?
like.
Well, we made love to Matt today.
Y'all made what?
Love to Matt.
What is all this food that I'm smelling? It's so many different fragrances coming out of the kitchen.
We made love to Matt.
But I ain't cooking.
Mom, this is food that we had
And
yesterday.
Yeah, but
It's only a little bit of it. You made food?
I thought
I smell it, but I don't see it. Exactly. Where do you see food at?
neck bones and I made some tenders, but I took them out the kitchen.
Some what?
Some chicken tenders
Some enchilada.
and some neck bones, and I took them out the kitchen. You want a chicken tender?
No, Mom, we made love to Matt. He was talking. So what today is they would throw water on him.
Not throw water.
What's up, son? Oh, I bet you want to pour it on it. Oh, I bet you want to pour it on me. This one, you want to pour it on
Not what you
what
want
I
to pour
said. Boom.
Not.
And then he told you that to walk to his house so he can, because he don't fight, he shoot.
Not he shoot.
I was like,
Oh,
you
go.
can barely dang aim. Like, what? He can barely aim because he had shot it one time. He was like,
No, stop playing with him because that's too much for me. No, I'm not playing with you, son. It is. Would you rather us look back at this video and see you in the refrigerator years and years down the line, or would you rather a careless individual shoot you dead and we never see you again? I mean, I don't even know why that boy would say that, some foolishness like that. Yeah, but let's just think. We gotta, bruh, ignore that nigga, bruh. Here it is, bruh, it is. Your family. That's what matters. And if we got to buckle up and swallow that shit, bruh, at least I'll get to live to see my sisters, my mama, another day. But sometimes these men can be so careless, bruh. They'll say all that shit and then shoot your mama dead where she's standing at. You might have those brothers, sisters behind to look at it. But just, Journey, pipe down. Don't even say nothing to that lame individual, bruh. Just look, put the death stare on her. No, I'm saying, I'm talking to Jay. Okay, because that's, bro, I don't know what the fuck is these moving, they try to move crazy around this. You know I'm not paranoid, but it's just, I'm kind of slick paranoid. Like, what the fuck is you moving around my daughter for? Nigga, you already liked her and loved with her.
Can we not talk about that?
Yeah, but I'm saying I needed to calm down.
I didn't even do that. What did you do?
No, I'm saying to Jadez. That's why I'm explaining to Jadez. And you came in the room like, what the fuck? We already know he in love with your sister. That man is obsessed. So just be like, Wilson, bro, don't even worry about that stuff, man. Journey, she'll come around, bro. If you even got to comment down that way. But don't hype that shit up, bro. I swear to God, bro. When they dead, they gone, bro. When they dead, they gone. You will never see your sister again. You'll never see her again. And I know that man is in love with... Shut up. I'm dead serious. You think I'm lying? Do you think I'm lying? Because you know how many years that man been following that Davis girl, bro. And y'all can think I'm Davis drunk if you want to. Now, what these Davis turkey necks on? Oh, yeah, I had cane. I was chilling. But these turkey necks smell good as fuck. I swear to God, I'm good. Oh, God. I'm going to have to agree.
You're not going to Roger.
Not I agree with you. Jadez, I agree with you. Actually agreed. It's actually spelled agreed. But I agree with you.
Oh.
Turkey necks, man. Not just trying to eat your food. When we talking about...
Are you taking out your hair? No, I gotta redo it.
But I'm just saying, Jadez, even if you gotta just... That girl get on my motherfucking nerves.
Who?
Shut up, girl. Where you going so nervous? Well, bruh.
Really?
You definitely get on my nerves. I ain't talking about her.
See there?
Even if you,
I don't know what you be talking.
if you got to chill with your friends, be like, bro, I swear to God, my freaking sisters get on my nerves.
Why I gotta be with this? I ain't.
If you don't go in, it's just fine. You don't even want me following you. But you all in my breath.
Cause you over here talking down on me like I did something to you.
I'm just trying to speak to your brother. I'm just trying to speak to your brother.
Okay,
If
I'm
you,
gonna sit right here and listen.
Johnny, please.
Okay, I'm gonna sit right here and listen.
But even if you don't agree,
What is that?
agree. See, she didn't even get it, Janine.
I'm pretty sure
She
he didn't
is.
get it either.
A girl needs to agree. And she said, she just told me that. Like
Exactly. She just told
2 minutes ago.
Yeah, but you didn't even get it when I said it. When you was standing right there and I said agree. Any damn way. See, look how I mean. I can't really fluctuate
Are
with
you
you.
on the bike? You're riding the bike.
I am riding a bike. I have training wheels on.
No, they're off. You're pro.
Yeah, exactly. I'm
You're
pro.
riding the bike.
Pro. So why
Exactly.
don't you realize
Can you stop
that?
riding my bike?
So I'm just trying.
Huh?
No, I'm riding his, and you're just on here
Huh?
hanging
What did
on
you just say?
by the balances on them balancing beams.
No, say no homo.
Them darn training wheels at the end.
Say no homo.
Oh, God.
No,
That's something weird.
you're riding the bike, and she's on the training wheels at the back. Do y'all know the bike that has the BMX bike that has the training wheels to pull a brother and sister on the back of them? Huh? Head ass. That's because kids don't don't ride bikes these days. You can think their mama tipsy or whatever, but no, he carry you. And that's what I feel like when I was
tricycle?
addressing. Yeah, he's riding you on a tricycle. Look his eyes. I'm scared. He's riding you on a tricycle, but he lame as F. So he don't even really understand where I'm going with
I don't
this.
understand what you saying.
Well, shut the heck up, cause you over there like, hey, what can I eat? Grapes. But I'm saying, that's your brother, and I'm gonna talk to him like he's pedaling that bike and riding all y'all, cause that's the first son I had. I'm a little my feelings of that journey. I admit it.
Yeah, I know.
But I'm just saying, first son I had.
Shut up, Jay. That's what you're
I'm
doing.
doing my video, and he's riding out on the bike, yeah. And I'm hoping this to the train of success, because I ain't gonna always be I'm older than hell than all of y'all. Let's be real. And I just feel like I just want that. Like, the oldest man to take care of all my children. That weird over there on the side of us eating. What are you eating, Judith?
Why are you eating our sliders?
Not the sliders.
Why ain't no
When I'm
sliders
cooking.
over the last 2 minutes?
That's mama's sliders.
Not my sliders. I just said don't eat my sliders yesterday. Not my sliders.
Oh, I can-
You're eating my sliders. Don't act like you ain't
Ma,
eating.
you can use that money to buy you
Sorry.
some more. You can have it.
Yeah, but don't act like you eat my
Mom,
sliders.
can you sign my paperwork, or do you want to wait till later on?
You know I signed it, right? But
But I don't want to.
can we just act like we doing a video for once so people can act like we just focused on it? Well, I got food, Journey. Journey is food, Journey. I'm scared. My flip flop. I'm scared of hell. The sanitizer fail. I understand. You don't play that shit. I told them that when Jadez and Janine was sitting there playing that shit this morning. Jadez, did I not say, hey, I understand who's sitting in Jadez. We understand we got a lot to talk about. But Journey, when she come home, what?
Dang, all of them.
All of what? I know you fucking lying. I know that ain't a box to my sliders that I just asked you we
And
need to
she
get
just
more.
asked us yesterday if she needed to get more, and I said no, man, because like why would I even respect her birthday? Like what?
Ma, I'll give you some more money.
No, it ain't no more money. Y'all could have just. I asked y'all 25 times to find a different meat. And King only find some. I said, Journey, do we need a slider? Journey, did you not say no? And not a box on the floor the very next day. Y'all had to say was mama, yep, getting them slides. Y'all were too busy arguing with each other, bruh. I be just standing back, bro. Just like, what the fuck, bro? It really be about that.